Namaste everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. It's a pleasure to have you. If you are my regular viewer, thank you so much. It's a blessing to have you here with me. You all support this channel and I love you all guys so very much. We are here to do a quick reading on what the week ahead has for all of us. I've already shuffled and cut the deck, so I'm going to begin the reading right away. Eight of Pentacles, Queen of Wands. So at the outset, this seems to be a week full of a lot of energy, a lot of passion, a lot of enthusiasm, very work-centered week. It seems to be a week full of passion for the work that you do, enthusiasm for the skills and the knowledge that you possess. It seems like a week where at least you will be beginning the week with focusing on expanding your skills, your knowledge, your learning, staying focused on your work, staying focused on being perfect in whatever you do. It seems to be a week where all the leaders out there, you will be recognizing co-workers, team members, or probably employees working with you, for you. You will be recognizing their talents, their skills, and you would be delegating extra responsibilities to them so they are able to expand their knowledge base. For some of you people who are leaders, your leadership skills and your abilities will be recognized, and you will be given extra responsibilities. So you are able to expand yourself and you are able to grow. A lot of you out there, you are very charming and you have a very charming and exuberant personality, and you are very well aware of that. And this week you will be using your charm in the best way possible to get your work done. You people are very action oriented. You like to get things done fast, and you will really be focused on your work, on perfecting something, on you have a plan ready and you want to action it. Just a little warning, if you are the perfectionist, please do not be so focused in perfecting your work, your talent, your skills, and expanding yourself that you forget to look around for those small things which can actually help and aid you in your work. So this is how the beginning of the week looks like for us. Let's see the midweek. Three of Pentacles, Three of Wands. Okay, so we have two threes here. So definitely the midweek is going to see all of us expanding in so many ways. It will be a week, the midweek will be a period of expansion, self-expression. We will be working or collaborating with other people to get some work done, and we will find success in whatever we do with others, and our efforts and our talents will be recognized. For a few of you, you will recognize all the achievements that you've already had, because a lot of you out there, you are already achievers in your own right, and your achievements will be recognized, and you yourself will recognize all the various things that you have achieved thus far, and you will realize that you want to expand further, that yes, whatever you've achieved, that is good, but you want to now go beyond. You are looking for newer experiences. You are eyeing newer horizons. For few of you, there might be travel. You might be traveling on work. It could be a work-related travel. For you, it could be a travel that you will be undertaking for higher education or expanding your talents and skills, or for higher knowledge. Anything that helps you expand your business, your work, your skills. For few of you, you are probably waiting for some kind of news coming in your way with regards to your business, a creative project, or your work, and you will be receiving the news midweek. If you're collaborating with a group of people, please please focus on the teamwork. It is important that there is a good and healthy collaboration between the members, and ensure that there is healthy communication going on. So, because it is only together that you will be able to achieve the work that you have set out for and the recognition that awaits you in the midweek. Towards the end of the week, we have the Knight of Wands and the Magician. So, very energetic and enthusiastic energy, ready to forge ahead, move forward towards that creative and passionate project or endeavor that you have either designed for yourself or you are working for somebody. But understand that just jumping ahead with enthusiasm is not good enough. You need to have a solid plan, a backup plan to fall back on if this does not work out. Some of you out there, you are very energetic, very enthusiastic, very passionate, yes, but you tend to get bored soon enough, or you also do not tend to have a firm plan or a backup plan to fall back on. So ensure that you have a plan, a clearly established plan, which you can use to create what you want to create for yourself. Yes, you have the confidence, you have the skills, you have the resources, and the knowledge available to create whatever you want to create. You are setting off on a goal, you're setting off on a pursuit, you're setting off on your ambition. Probably you're ready to jump into something which you're very passionate about, but ensure that you always have a plan to fall back on just in case something does not work out. Overall, it seems like a very energetic, enthusiastic, and work filled week for a lot of you all. There is a lot of expansion, success coming in, some good news coming in, news that you have been waiting for quite some time now. That news related to your work, your education, your business will be coming in. For some of you, there is travel on the cards. Again, like I said, it could be business related, work related, or just education related. Maybe it is for your higher education. So some news regarding the travel for the travel that you are planning might also come in. It is quite possible that news regarding your impending travel might also be coming in towards the midweek. So, a lot of energy and a lot of work this week for all of us. And that's all I have for you. Have a great week ahead, guys. Namaste.